How many times have you seen a presentation where the slides were tiny, the presenter disappeared, or the screen share just felt awkward? Or worse, have you been the one presenting on a virtual call and had to ask the dreaded question, can you see my screen? We all know that whether you're teaching a class, recording a tutorial, running a webinar, or presenting to clients, your screen and your content and your message is often the most important thing that your audience needs to see. But the challenge is figuring out how to share it without losing your personality, your branding, and your connection with the audience. And that's where Ecamm comes in. Ecamm makes it easy to combine your screen, your camera, and your branding into one polished, smooth presentation. So let's jump in and I'll show you a complete tutorial. So here we are in Ecamm. Welcome. I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can set up a screen share. One's going to be kind of taking up this whole space here. This is what your audience would see, this kind of clean version of that. And then I'm going to also show you how you can have something that's a bit more branded, a bit more dynamic. In this case, I'm going to use a Safari window, so a website, to show you how to do a screen share. So quickest, easiest way to do a screen share is you've got a scene here. If I click on this button right here, it says share screen. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to make sure right here it says show. I'm going to select what I want it to show. If I wanted it to show my whole monitor, I could do that. But if I wanted to just show a presentation, or in this case, a website, I can just select that application. You can even zoom in if you want. And that's pretty good. I can just scroll through the website, talk through whatever I want to talk about. But let's make it more dynamic by adding a camera to the scene. So here's my camera switcher. I'm going to drag and drop a camera. Now, it's going to be whatever shape it was the last time I used this tool, or it might just show up as a rectangle. But for me, I want to change this to a circle. I can click on this pen, and instead of a wide shape, I'm going to do a circle. And you can see here, you have all these different options. You can have a border, no border. You can even do a motion color, and then it's kind of switching between these two colors, whatever makes sense for you. And then you can place this wherever you want. If you want to zoom yourself in, you select camera effects, zoom yourself in. So now you are still connecting with your audience, and able to control this presentation at the same time and have it look really nice. Now I'm going to click another scene, and when I do that, it's going to be a camera scene, and I'm going to be full screen again. So now I can go back and forth between talking to the audience, and with a click of one button, I'm back into a screen share. Just use my mouse, scroll through, talk about this amazing event that you should totally go to, Ecamm Creator Camp, so much fun. Now let me show you one other way that you can make an even more dynamic screen share. And maybe this time you want yourself to be a little bit bigger and you want the website to be a little bit smaller. Again, this can apply to any type of presentation that you do. You could bring in a PowerPoint, you could bring in a PDF, whatever. Just think of the possibilities. They're endless. I'm going to select a new scene. So I'm going to call this one camera. I'm going to hit the plus button here. It's also a camera scene, but I'm going to do branded screen share. Okay. So I want to have this foundation of this scene be blank. So the source of this, I'm going to switch to blank. Then I'm going to take a background that I already have. This could just be a picture or maybe something you made in Canva. Drag and drop that in. Over here in my overlays panel, which is where all of the things that you lay over go here. And then I want my camera again. So I'm going to drag and drop my camera. And this time I don't want to be a circle. Why would I want to be a circle? I want to be tall. You know, I always wish I was a little bit taller. I'm going to move this around. Okay, let's say that feels right. And actually, I kind of want like a drop shadow on this. So I'm going to click on this pen, click on a shadow, change that. Ooh, I like that. What about a little perspective? Ooh, okay, let's not get too crazy. Focus, Jill, focus. So now I've got a branded background. I've got my camera overlay. So I'm still connecting with the audience. Again, they're going to see this. They're not going to see all of that other stuff. But now I want to add in, I want to be sharing my screen. So if I go over here to overlays, I can click right down here. It looks like a little computer. I'm going to click that. And then I can change this to be whatever I want. So right now, if I click on here, the pen, it's saying, what do you want to show? The primary display? No, I want to show Safari. And look at this. I can now put this wherever I like. And let's see. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I don't like this junk up here on the top. If I want to crop that in, I'm going to hold down the Option button on my keyboard, and I can just crop out anything I don't like. This is one of my favorite features in Ecamm because you can completely customize things exactly to look how you want, and then just jump through all of the different scenes. So let's also, just for funsies, bring in a logo. Here we go. I've got my little Ecamm logo. Maybe I put this in the corner. You know what? I want it to pop off the screen a little bit. I just double clicked, add a bit of a shadow. That's too far. That's too blurry. Let's just add a little something, You just set this up the way that you want. And you know what? When I come into this scene, I want this logo to fly in from the right. Fly in from the right. All right. So now let's go back and forth. Let's go from this full-size scene of me. Hey, I'm Jill, and I want to tell you about our upcoming events. Let's pull up the website. Let's talk about Creator Camp. Look at all of these amazing things that we're going to be doing. We just finished up our Creator Camp in the UK. We're going to be having our 3-day flagship in October. So you can just see how much more dynamic this is, as opposed to, hey, can you see my screen? And then you can't really see the people. And you can't really tell if what you think they're seeing is what they're seeing. I can completely control everything, and it can look exactly how I want with the power of Ecamm. Woohoo! You can do it too, I promise. Now you're going to be able to present in your virtual calls or record or even live stream much more dynamic shows. Look, I'm able to click a couple buttons and just have a much more dynamic show. Very smooth, very easy, very nice. Why be boring when you can be extra? I don't mind being extra. So if, like me, you want to create tutorials, presentations, podcasts, webinars, live streams, all of it without complicated production software, please check out Ecamm below and start your free trial. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please check out the rest of our Getting Started series here in the Ecamm YouTube channel. And I gotta say it, love to say it, welcome to the Ecamm fam.